Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 186. So I thought this was a cracking wee story to start us off. So twins actually being born in different decades, and that's because it was round about Hogmanay time, and they were born 30 minutes apart. So part A were asked, at what time was Jackson born? And this is wee Jackson here. He was born 30 minutes after his sister Jocelyn. So obviously it's 30 minutes on from 11:37 p.m. So that's 23 minutes to midnight, and you can see then that that he's going to be born 7 minutes after midnight, and that obviously is going to be 12:07 a.m. Now, in what date was he born? And we have to give the answer in the usual date format. Well, it's the date then because it's after midnight. It's the day after the 31st of December, which is the 1st of January. So the date is 01. The month is also going to be 01 because it's January, and rather cool it's going to be in the next year, and in fact the next decade. So instead of 2019, it's going to be 2020. So great wee story there, I thought, to start us off with, and I hope you got the right answer there. So on to our second story. So in recognition of sales jumping by, I think it was 13.5%, Greggs are going to give all their workers a bonus. So 19,000 staff are going to be getting the top bonus of £300. So that means it's going to be 19,000 times by 300. And the remaining 6,000 members of staff who haven't been there as long are going to be paid £75. So that we're going to add 6,000 lots of £75 also, and that gives us this whopping bonus figure here. So we have to give our answer in words. So it's going to be 6 million, and then it's going to be 150,000. So well done, Greggs, for rewarding your workers in such a manner. So I thought this was a cracking DIY story to share with you. So a dad has floored his bathroom with £55 worth of 1p coins. So how many coins did he need to tile his floor? First of all, so obviously £1 equals 100 pence. So for each £1 it's 100 pennies. So if there's £55, it's 55 lots of 100 pennies. So that means for the number of coins we do 55 times 100, which is 5,500 coins. But the remarkable bit of the story is that that idea has already been done in a barber shop in Birmingham. So they used 64,500 more coins. So what we need to do is we need to add that to the existing 5,500 to get 70,000 coins. So how much did it cost them to tile this barber shop floor? Well, if there's 100 pence in every pound, to change this into the amount that he paid in pounds, because it basically 70,000 coins are 70,000 pennies. So to change the pounds, we divide by 100, and that gives us, when we move everything down to place values, a value of £700. Now I've actually tiled my flooring with tiles, and actually £700 would be a lot cheaper, and I'm sure it looks spectacular as well. So on to our final story. Cracking achievement has definitely got to be worth a mention in the Daily Rigour. An Edinburgh adventurer has become the youngest woman to ski solo to the South Pole. We're asked to calculate the average speed of her journey in miles per hour. So speed obviously is calculated by using the equation distance divided by time. The distance it gives us is 702 miles. I mean, think about that. In the South Pole, what an achievement. And if the speed's got to be miles per hour, then we need our time to be in hours, but we're only given our time in days. It's 58.5 days. So if there's 24 hours in every one day, we need to multiply this by 24 to change it into hours. So we now know what we're dividing by, and you can either put it in your calculator, or you can notice that 702 over 1404 unbelievably what simplifies to give you a half. And these figures are 100% genuine, by the way. So it's 0 0.5 miles per hour. Let's talk about snail's pace, but of course we should point out that she would have been sleeping, eating, resting as well. So her actual travelling speed would be a lot more than that. This was just the average speed of her total entire journey. So there you have it, folks, our What Solutions for Daily Rigour issue number 186. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.